Hey everyone, this is Dell here again with your second instructional video on welding. I'm going to show you how to pull out an oxyacetylene tank, how to turn that sucker on, and how to weld your first object, which is a pyramid. Now, pulling the oxyacetylene tanks out is a thing that freaks a lot of people out because, of course, these are tanks of gas that are under pressure and everybody worries about what happens if these tip over. Is it going to explode? I can tell you almost certainly, no it will not, but I'm going to show you how to do this carefully so you don't run into any danger of it. So most of the time the oxyacetylene torches are parked back here against this wall that has the Michelin or whatever that thing is, that Pegasus up there, and they're handle side in for storage. So to get these out, you usually have to do a little wiggle. What I do is I come down here to these two beams, and I walk it out slowly. It makes an awful noise, but you want to get it out far enough that you can get behind it. Do it slowly. Don't tug on it super fast. You don't want to pull it over. You need to come out just a little bit so I can get my tummy back there. On the back of this cart, at the bottom side, is a little kind of step bar. So you're going to put your foot on that step bar, lean your weight back on it so it tips towards you. Okay, now you'll see that these bottles are wired in with a chain. That's to help prevent them from falling. So unless you get really aggressive with this, they are not going to fall. Once you have it tipped back, you can either push it forward, or what I like to do usually, pull it backwards to your destination. We're going most of the way over to the other side of the studio. Oftentimes, when you come to class, these will already be set up. But if you ever come in here and they're not, this is what you're going to do. When you get to your destination, line your cart up like you want it to be. You're going to put your foot back on that cross beam. Gently lower it down. Okay. Now you'll notice there are some safety features on here. When you lower it down, I mentioned these chains here. They should prevent the bottles from falling, but on the off chance that you tripped and fell or something crazy happened and one of these bottles fell out, what I want you to remember is this. Most likely nothing's going to happen, but do not be a hero. If it starts to fall, just back up, let it fall. Come get me and we will deal with it. It is not your responsibility to try to catch and save the bottle. I've never seen one of these go down in here, and I've never seen one explode. So don't freak out. Just be slow and steady and it will all be good.